Hello students, in the last session we have discussed about the inequalities and the rule to solve the problems involving the inequalities. Today we'll discuss some problems on the inequalities. So let's start with the examples. So I'm taking first example. Problem is what? 2x minus 3 upon 2x x minus 5 is greater than 3. Correct? Problem is what? 2x minus 3 upon 3x minus 5 greater than 3. So I hope everyone have remembered that rules. If you have not remembered, so please go with that again. See the session first on the same topic, inequalities. Then we'll understand. So we'll recalling the rule, no problem. So first we have to simplify this one. So 2x minus 3 upon 3x minus 5 minus 3 greater than 0. Sign of inequality will not change. And now simplify, it is 2x minus 3, it will take cross multiplication, so 9x minus 15 upon 3x minus 5 greater than 0. Finally, we can write 2x, it will be minus 7x minus, it will be plus, sorry. So 15 minus 3, it is what? 12, plus 12 upon 3x minus 5. Okay, and finally we can write, implies that what is it is the 7x minus 12 upon 3x minus 5 greater than 0. Correct? Now from here we can get the two values of x. Okay, first is what? X is 12 by 7 and second is x is equal to 5 by 3. But you can see that, and both have an odd power, so both values we have to take that one. But second is what? 3x minus 5 is in denominator. So to define this expression 3x minus 5 for define this function or existing this function, that will be good. For existing this function or this expression, for existing 3x minus 5 cannot be equal to 0. Correct na? Or it means x cannot be equal to 5 by 3. Okay, so we need to remove this. Let's draw the number line and check the rule with that one. So it is the number line. I hope everyone understood. 12 by 7 is what? Greater than 5 by 3. So 5 by 3 will be here and 12 by 7 will be here. And again, both are what? Roots of, or it is the value of odd brackets. So here will be plus, it is minus, and this is plus. So again it will change. But what we have done, sorry, here it will be minus, because we have gone minus 7x plus 12, 3x minus 5 greater than 0. We have changed the sign. Okay, so minus 7, 7x minus 12, 3, yes, it will be less than 0. So as you can see that it is the less than 0, so value will be moved where it is in towards the negative side. So it will also towards the negative side. And why we are changing the sign? Because this is the value of odd brackets. So what will be the value of x or interval for the x? So it is x belonging from where to where? From 5 by 3 to 12 by 7. Correct? Now you can see that we have not to take 5 by 3. Correct? So not take to 5 by 3 means what? There will be open bracket, and in the inequality is not given the equal to sign, so also we have to take the same bracket. Correct? So this is the answer for that one. 5 by 3, on 5 by 3 it is not defined, that's why we are putting what? Open bracket. Suppose that if there is what? Equal to sign, so it will be what? Equal, and this is also equal. So what will be the change? This will be the same. Why? Because 5 by 3 we cannot take, either there will be equal sign. Okay, why? Because at 5 by 3 this expression will not exist, not defined. So x belongs to 5 by 3 and we'll take the open bracket. But 12 by 7 we can take, that's why we'll put the square bracket if there is equal to sign. Otherwise whatever we have done, that will be the good. Okay, so I think it will be, if there is any doubt you can ask or you can write in that message box. Okay. Okay, let's see the next example. It is what? X 2 raised to x minus 1, 3x minus 1, x minus 3. Correct? Now it is the some different problem whatever we have discussed till now. So if you equate all this one, okay, it means what? It gives what? X is equal to 0. This gives what? again x is equal to 0. I hope everyone understood. You need to equate with the 0, correct na? So it is 0, so it is what, 2x is equal to 1. That is nothing but the 1 can be written as like that, so x is equal to 0. And when you equate this one with the 0, so it will what, 3x is equal to 9, which is nothing but 3 ka square, so x is equal to 2. Okay? Now when you see this bracket, x minus 3 equal to 0, so it is what, it gives x is equal to 3. So we have three values. One is what, 3, no, actually it is the 4 one, but one value is what, repeating, this one 0. Okay? X is equal to 2 and x is equal to 3. So very simple, whatever the factor is given, so we have to equate each with equal to 0, we'll get the value of 0. So 0, 0 two times. Now we have not discussed when same type of root is repeating, so what we have to do that. But you remember that rule where we are taking what, even power. So when you say that x is equal to 0, x is equal to 0, x is equal to 0 one root, x is equal to 0 another root, when you combine this one, it becomes what, x square, means it gives the even power bracket. It means we need not to take the 0. Now see what will happen on the numbers line. Okay? So there will be what, 2, 3. So it is 2, it is 3, and this is what, 0. And we have to take the 0 one time, not we need to write the 2 times 0. What? 2 and 3. This is what, odd bracket, all are odd bracket. But x and 2x minus 1 gives what, same values of x, means we are considering it is what, even power bracket. Correct? So sign will change. The sign will change, so what we'll have to write? So it is the even power, so we need to write plus. It will change minus because it is also odd power bracket, and this is what, plus. But this is what? This is the even power bracket. So sign will not change, and this will be plus. So how will take the value of x? So very simple. It is what, less than. So value will move this side and this side, like that. So 0 already excluded. So what will be the final answer? So x belongs to 2, 3. We are putting what, open bracket, not close bracket, because it is equal to sign is not there. Is it okay? I am repeating once, which is the very important, why I am discussing this problem, because this one, and we are applying the rule. So whatever the factor is given, you need to equate each bracket with the 0, will get the corresponding value of x. So there x is equal to 0, x is equal to 0. So that is the different thing whatever we have discussed till now. So x is equal to 0, x is equal to 0 means what, it gives the for same value even power bracket. So we need to exclude as per the rule. Now from here, x is equal to 2, x is equal to 3. Now we'll draw the number line. This 2 is what, it is the odd power bracket. So we'll need to change the sign, plus minus plus, and there will be no change of sign because it is the even power bracket values. Correct? Now what, here inequality is what, less than 0, so value will move towards the minus sign. You have to take off plus minus as per the inequality. Okay? And 0 is excluded, so x belongs to what, 2 and 3. Why I am putting the open bracket? Because equal to sign is not there. Okay? I hope it helps. So every time practice the problem. If you forget the rules, so please check the first session where I have told you that one, all the rules are there. Okay? Let's discuss one more problem. So problem is what? It is x square minus 4 under root x square minus 1 greater than, I think it is less than 0. Okay? So it is less than 0. I hope everyone understood that. X square minus 4 you can write like that. It is x square minus 4 can be written as what? It is x minus 2 and x plus 2. So I hope everyone understood how can you take the value of this if it is x minus 2 and x plus 2. So what is the value of x? X will be lying between from minus 2 to 2. Is it okay? So from here we can write directly like that. Okay? From there. What about this? So if it is given under root x square minus 1. So you know that whatever the value is given in this under root, so x square minus 1 should be greater than or equal to 0, then it will define, otherwise not. So x square minus 1 greater than 0. It means what? It means x will be what? Greater than or equal to plus minus 1. ठीक है. So x square is what? It implies that x square is greater than or equal to plus minus 1, and that is nothing but x will be less than minus 1 or x will be greater than plus 1. Is it okay, everyone? ठीक है. Or you can write this one equal to sign, because equal to sign. So we have two equations. One is there and one is there. Okay. Now when you draw the number lines and you check it, okay, what is exact value? So it is. So minus 2 will be here, minus 1 will be here, 1 will be here, and 2 will be here. Correct? It is saying what? It is less than minus. No need to change that one sign, because some questions are different. So one of the example is there. So less than minus 1, so means we have to take it from here, and greater than 1 means it is the here, and 1 we need to take. So we need to take what? Like that, between this, okay, and not in between that one. Okay. So how can you write that one? Less than minus 1 means the value will be what? So we can write like that. What is the x interval? It is x belongs to what? Minus 2 to minus 1. And I'm not putting the bracket now. And union from 1 to 2. But one thing you can see that here equal to sign is not there. Here equal to sign is there. Means minus 1 we have to take, 1 we have to take, and at the end it is open. So minus 2 to minus 1 and union of 1 to 2. So it is one of the good question, you can say that, because different, we are not applying directly all the rules whatever we have seen for the inequalities, because as per the expression it is given, we are writing like that. We'll discuss one more problem like that, but just check it first. Okay, let's see. It is what? One of the, again, same problem where we are not applying the rule directly, because no use of that one. You can find the value directly. First thing, root x is here given, so it is very clear. If root x is given, so it will define when x will be what? Greater than or equal to 0. Okay? If root x, okay? So x will be what? Greater than or equal to 0. Then what will be the next step? It is x greater than or equal to minus 3. You can mark it, or you can write like that. Okay, for root x, x should be what? Greater than or equal to 0. And after this, root x will get cancelled. So x will be what? Greater than minus 3. So mark it equation 1 and mark it equation 2. So directly you can find that, okay, what will be the value of x? Okay, so what is the value of x? So very simple, x greater than minus 3, x greater than 0. So you can write directly from 1 and 2, x is greater than or equal to 0. I hope everyone understood. If you draw the number line, so minus 3 will be here and 0 will be here. In both the condition, x is what? Greater than 0. So x is what? Greater than minus 3 and greater than minus 0. So finally is what? It is greater than 0. So very simple. It is what? From here. So there is, we are not using the rule all that one. So there are such cases of problem where you can find the value directly. Okay, I hope it will help you. So please revise and check, and doubt you can write in the message box. Okay, thank you.